Small kitchen design plans. Small kitchen design planning is very important since the kitchen can be the main focal point in most homes. Not only is it used to cook in and eat in, but some families tend to meet or gather there. Having a functional kitchen is important, but so is having one that is a pleasant place to be in. There are a variety of different plans for small kitchen design that will give you the dream kitchen that you always desired. Small kitchen design plans can seem difficult when it comes to your own personal preferences. You can maximize a small kitchen space to your advantage. A kitchen island is a good idea to incorporate into your small kitchen design plan. You can also consider breakfast bar integrated into the island design. Kitchen islands do not have to always be square. They can be in any shape which is accommodating to your needs. Having a kitchen island will give you access to every part of your kitchen, being that it is in the middle of the floor. Pans and pots can be hung on a rack above the kitchen island. It will make it easier and more accessible to get when you need them. You will not have to worry about looking through cabinets or cupboards. They will free up cupboard space as well. Along with pans and pots, you can hang up oven gloves, utensils, and pot holders.